100 leads a month for one renovation company, consistently month after month. So not 100 random people who clicked on something, 100 homeowners who filled out a form, gave their phone number and said, I want a renovation. So in this video, I'm going to break down the exact system that makes this possible. So no theory, this is a real campaign we run at our agency, and I will show you the offer, the ads, and the funnel, and also the numbers, so everything. So if you run a renovation company and you want a steady flow of leads every month, this is the video. So let's go. So first, why does this work so well for renovation specifically? So three reasons. Reason number one, everyone's home needs work. Look at any neighborhood. Kitchens from the 90s, bathrooms that haven't been touched in 90 years, basements that could be finished. The demand is massive and it never stops. And reason number two, it's visual. Renovation is one of the most visual industries there is. So before and after photos stop people mid-scroll. Nobody scrolls past a bedroom that went from ugly to beautiful. That's your ad, the work itself. Okay, reason number three, high ticket. A kitchen renovation is $15,000 to $40,000. A bedroom is $8,000 to $20,000. Even a small job like painting or flooring is $3,000 to $8,000. So one closed lead pays for months of ads. So at our agency, we get renovation leads for $12 to $30 each. So, do the math. 100 leads at $20 equals $2,000 in ad spend. Close 10 of those at an average of 15,000. So that's 150,000 in revenue from $2,000 in ads. So that's the kind of ROI that changed a business. So yeah. Okay, so let me show you the exact offer we use. So we tested dozens of offers for renovation companies. Most of them don't work. We do renovations, nobody cares. Quality, work, fair prices, everyone says that. The offer that crashes everything else is something like this. Free renovation estimated in 24 hours, kitchens, bathrooms, basements. See your project cost before you commit. So yeah, why this works? Because free estimate, zero risk for the homeowner, and they get information without commitment. Next one is 24 hours. So this is speed. Most renovation companies take a week to give a quote. So you do it in a day. So that alone makes you different. Specific rooms, so kitchens, bathrooms, basements, tells the homeowner instantly if this is for them. Generic renovations doesn't connect. Okay, and before you commit, it removes pressure. People are scared of renovation cost. This says just look, no obligation. So we also test a second offer that works well. For example, see what your dream kitchen looks like. Free 3D design mockup. And this one attracts people earlier in the process. They are dreaming, not buying yet, but they are high quality because they are enjoying it. Okay, so now the ads. We run 4 types and rotate them consistently. Type number 1, before and after slideshow. 3 to 5 renovation projects in one video. Each one ugly before shot, beautiful after shot. 3 seconds each. Music in the background, text at the end, something like, your home could look like this. Free estimate, click below. So this is our number one. So this is our number one performer. Film every single project you finish and build a library. Okay, type 2, time lapse of a project. So set up a camera and film the renovation from start to finish and speed it up into a 30-second clip. People love watching a room transform, so it's satisfying to watch, which means they watch till the end, which means meta ads shows it to more people. Okay, type number 3, walk through of finished project. So you're walking through a finished kitchen or bathroom, pointing out details. For example, check out this backsplash, custom cabinets, new island with quartz countertop. Talk like you are showing it to a friend, not selling. So 30 seconds, phone camera, and this is enough for this type. Okay, type number 4, the homeowner reaction. So film the moment a homeowner sees their finished renovation for the first time. Their reaction is your ad. So you don't need any words, just the genuine surprise and excitement. So yeah, this type gets the highest enjoyment we've ever seen for renovation. So yeah, generally we run all 4 types at the same time. So kill the worst performer every 2 weeks, add new projects consistently, and the more projects you film, the more ads you have, the longer the system works. Okay. Now the campaign and funnel. So campaign objective, leads, campaign budget, $30 to $50 per day. For 100 leads a month, you need enough budget to give the algorithm data. So 30 is minimum, 50 is better. Next one, targeting. So your service area, 20 to 30 mile radius. Age, usually for this industry, it's about 30 to 65. Homeowners and broad targeting, no interest. Okay, ad set 1, and inside it all for creatives. Okay. Now where do the leads go? This is where we do something different. We split test two destinations. So option A, option A, meta ads lead form. So this is quick, easy, and cheap leads. Homeowner fills out name, phone, and selects what room they wanted renovated. For example, kitchen, bathroom, basement, full home, and other. So leads usually cost between 12 to 18 each. Option B, landing page. A simple page with 5 before and after photos, 3 customer reviews, 3 offer, and a form. And here leads cost usually between $20 to $30 each, but they are warmer because they saw your work and reviews before filling out the form. So yeah, we usually start with lead forms to get volume and prove the system works, then add the landing page to improve quality. So running both at the same time is ideal. So volume from forms, from instant forms, and quality from landing page. Okay. So 100 leads mean nothing if you don't follow up properly. So first 60 seconds you need to do auto text. So for example, thanks Michael, we are preparing your free renovation estimate. A project manager will call you within 1 hour. In first 1 hour, phone call, not a sales pitch, just a conversation. So for example, hey Michael, this is Jacob from from ABC company. You were interested in a kitchen renovation. Tell me a bit about what are you thinking, and you need to ask questions. So listen and ask questions. So yeah, and schedule. Yeah, your goal here is schedule an in-home visit, not selling. Okay, day number 2. If no answer, text with a before and after photo from a similar project. For example, hi Michael, just finished this kitchen in, let's say, Miami. Looks amazing, want to see what we can do for yours. Let me know when works for a quick call. And yeah, day number 5, last attempt. So for example, hey Michael, just checking in about your renovation project. Still interest? Happy to answer any questions. Then stop. So of 100 leads, you will reach about 60 to 70 on the phone. Of those, about 25 to 35 will want an in-home estimate. Of those, about 8 to 12 will close. So at an average ticket of 15,000, that's $120,000 to $180,000 from 1,500 in ads. So very high ROI. So that's the whole system. So nothing fancy, just consistent ads, consistent follow-up, and consistent results. So yeah, let's do a quick recap. So first one, the offer: free estimate in 24 hours, specific rooms, 0 commitment. Number 2, 4 ad types, before and after, slideshow, time lapse, walkthrough, and homeowner reaction. Number 3, campaign. So this is leads, $30 to $50 per day, ad budget, service area, lead form plus landing page. If you can start only with lead form, instant form on Meta Ads. Okay, number 4, follow up. So auto text, call, next call within 1 hour, and next day 2 photo text, and day 5 last check-in. So the math is about 1,500 ad spend equals 100 leads. 100 leads equals about 10 closed jobs, and it equals 150,000 in revenue. So yeah, if you run a renovation company and want us to build the system for you, free strategy call link is in the description. So comment what's the biggest project you have done this year, and how do you get most of your leads right now. Subscribe for more. I'm Jacob from Lemon Agency, and see you in the next one.